Hello and welcome back to my channel, Handmade Crafts by Lacelle K. Yes, how you doing? I forgot my bigger sign in my car today, and I was not going back out to get it because it's cold as hell out there. So yeah, it's cold, it's sunny. Mind you, it's only like what 50, 40 something degrees, but when that wind hit, it hits, and I'm on the east side right now, and no, east side, I'm by the water. So, yeah, how is everyone? Hope everyone is great. I wish you nothing but positive vibes, abundance, prosperity, blessings. Yes, all positive things. So, I just kind of set my stuff up right here, and yeah, I gotta get it together. But yeah, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm happy to see y'all. So yeah, I fixed the issue with my Etsy shop. I don't know what's going on with that, but I fixed it. So yeah, so it's still up and running. So go check it out, www.handmadecraftsbylacelleK.com. So yeah. I am all over the place today. I have not eaten yet. I have to eat. I bought a sandwich. I'm gonna eat. I know that's off the subject. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyway, today I'm making body beads. I'm gonna make body beads with the Clasp. And in my next video, I'll do it with the wax cotton cord. So let's get started. I will link everything in the description box. Y'all know the drill. So please, 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 any information you need from any of my videos, go to the description box. I promise you it's in the description box. So where I get my products, anything is in the description box. So yeah. So in the previous video, that is still uploaded, by the way. Let me tell you, I don't have any space on my phone. So uploading these videos getting harder and harder, and the longer, the worse. So that's why it's kind of taking me a while to post videos, because I need more space in my phone. And I just kind of want a new phone at this point, because, yeah. Anyway, enough of my personal shenanigans. Let's get started. I think I used, which needle did I use? So the needles I purchased from Amazon. Oh, I'm gonna use this one. The needles I purchased from Amazon. Majority of the stuff that you see here I purchased from Amazon, but it's gonna be linked in the description box. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to make some body beads. I'm gonna show you exactly how I measure everything. I don't think I'm gonna really be fancy today and making a design and stuff for the purposes, the length of this video. And pretty much what I do to make the waist beads with the Clasp is pretty much what I do with the body beads with the Clasp. So it's not a big difference, you know. You're not missing nothing. Yeah, let me use this right here. So today, so them yellow beads was getting on my nerves the last time, because they was just so inconsistent. So let me see. White is a bright. Y'all can see white. So I'm going to use white. I'm going to use white. I said I wasn't going to get too fancy with the design. So I'm not going to even bother with a design. However, I will be using these, because those are my joints. I like them. They shiny. So I'm going to use, since I'm using white beads, I will probably use, I'm going to use this hot pink. These hot pink beads, just to add a little color, because I don't want it plain. I don't know about y'all, but I don't want it plain. So this is my Beadalon, Amazon, Bead Craft, that's located in New York. That was fast, right? I got it. So let me pour the beads in here. Oh, these beads are size 11. So these are gonna be a real dainty body bead. I'm not making this body bead particularly for anyone. I'm just really doing it for the purpose of this video. So it wasn't like a special order made. So I'm just doing it just to do it. Take out my clasp. And so before I measure the string, I'm gonna show you how I measure for body beads. So me, I am approximately 5'4". I weigh 149, 150 pounds. So I am going based off of me, okay? And this is how I measure. So usually I will wear my body beads like this. All right, because they will hook in the back. As you can see, this is too tight. So how I measure, because this is 60 inches, you know, on the tape measurer. So how I would measure this, so when I'm sitting at my desk, you know, doing my little beads, my beading. So this is 60 inches, right? So it's tighter than 60 inches, so I need more. So I will take this string. This is for myself. I would take this string. I would wrap it around me, like so. So this is still a little big. Let me take this off so I won't be confused. This is still a little big. So I will make it a little tighter up on me. So this is just to see where I'm gonna cut. So this is good. This right here is good for me. So I'm gonna cut. This is good for me. However, always remember that you're using the clasp, so you have to use some extra string. So I'm gonna cut a little bit more off, right? So this is my first string. My first string goes from the floor and pretty much taller than me. That's how I measure for body beads. Now, when I'm with a client, for example, so my body beads, when I make them, I do make them per order. And to be honest with you, some of them I have to measure, but a lot of them, I mean, that's making it per order, but a lot of them are, when I measure it on myself, they fit people. So this is well past 60 inches. So I say this is about 70 to 80 inches. So yeah, let me just, I can knot it. Actually, let me do that. Knot this. Whoa. Slippery. All right, I knotted it. So the purpose of this is to get it real straight so I can cut it. Boom. Here's my string, right? Let me put the rest away so there won't be no confusion. All right. I have to be very organized, because if I'm not, then it's just gonna work out right. So yeah, there it is. So I have my string, I have my beads, I have my knot. So when you watch the other video, when I make the waist beads with the clasp, you'll understand why now I have this knot here. So this knot, the purpose of it is to make the clasp stay on. So you have to, you know, you have to knot it. So I'm knotting it. This is a good amount of string here, so I could actually just put the clasp on and burn it, but I'm gonna knot it again just to do so. Okay, now let me add add my needle. All right, so that's threaded through. Keep in mind that this string is the fire line and it's waxed. So waxed string. So it's gonna be a little slippery and stuff if you're not used to it. I have my clasp. So if you look in the previous video, you'll see how you'll see further details on the clasp, how I do it, everything like that. That's a very, very detailed 40-something minute video. I put blood, sweat, and tears in it. So watch it. Do not do this at home. In fact, I kind of want to use this because my nails are done and I don't want to mess that up. So you waxing it down. Well, I'm waxing it down. You're not doing this at home. So I'm waxing this down. The point is so it could kind of go into the little hole. And ouch, what am I thinking? Keep in mind you have to put the other part on there too. So it has to fit. That pack of 3 of the little grip things I purchased from Dollar Tree. Okay, that's not working how I want it. So if you could see that, I'm trying to put it, it might not go all the way in the hole, but it's gonna get close enough so I can put that top back on. So I'm just shaping it and waxing it down. That's all that I'm doing. Making sure when you pull on it, it won't break. Because you would hate to just make a whole beaded piece of jewelry and it just breaks. That would be crazy. All right, so I put the top back on. It screws in great, so we're done with that process. Where's my needle? All right, let's get started. I'm gonna put the hot pink bead on here first. Pink is one of my favorite colors, so that's why I chose pink, to be honest with you. So we're gonna do this hot pink bead first. And let's get started. So yeah. Now you see how the beads just, oh, wait. Oh. Technical difficulty, it's a little knot in there. Hold up. Let me take this out. Sorry, y'all, this is what happens. So that happened because the string is so long that it can't get knotted up. But remember, it's wax, so it'll come out just like that. The other bead that I put on first is bigger than a size 11, so that's why I didn't get caught up. But yeah, things like this happen. Just keep that in mind. But this is wax string, so the knot is not gonna really be a knot unless you burn it, you know? So you'll be all right. Okay. That's it. Yep. Now let's get started. Okay. I'm kind of excited. I haven't done a body bead with a clasp in kind of a while. You know, it's getting colder outside, so people that's going on like vacations and stuff are purchasing stuff like this, like body beads, maybe even waist beads. But I wear my waist beads year round, so you know, I don't know about y'all, but they stay on. Why this is doing this? Oh, it's twisted. It's twisted. So this string right here is very, very easy to work with. So don't pay me no mind. I'm trying to not make the video super long, and at the same time I'm like rushing and stuff, so maybe I need to slow down. But this string is very, very easy to work with. By the way, I got the scissors from Dollar Tree as well. I won't be linking that. I'll just tell you to go to Dollar Tree and look for them. I don't have a link for that. Or you could just use any regular scissors as well. But yeah, this string is easy to work with. It lasts as long as, you know, you care for it. So it depends on how you treat the beads. That's really how this string works. You know, the wax cotton cord is thicker and way more durable than this string here. Way more. So I recommend that cord to anybody. Try it, manipulate it, use it. It lasts very long. So yeah. But this string here, like I said, these are dainty body beads. Let me put my little hot pink. So this is not for the people who are gonna be partying hard and, you know, you have your kids and stuff, because they will pop. Ooh. So yeah, keep that in mind. Let me, this gotta be curved more. There you go. Yeah, cause I'm like, this be picking up a lot of beads. Why you acting stink right now? You know what? I should have put some gold in this. That's what I should have did. It's all right. I'm not gonna be that picky. So I'll probably wear this out. I mean, like out to a gathering with some hot pink lipstick. So I'm kind of making this for me, I guess. I don't know the purpose of the video, but you know, I'm not gonna waste the beads, so I'll probably wind up wearing it somewhere. But yeah, with some hot pink lipstick. You could turn this into a necklace. As a matter of fact, I have a video on different ways you could wear body beads, different ways you could wear waist beads. It don't necessarily have to be on the body or the waist. Like, you could change it to other things. Some of my body beads, not even some, a lot of my body beads I have worn as necklaces, you know, and it's dope. So y'all know how I am with the measuring. So I need about a little couple of stacks more beads. So I do measure because maybe I'm OCD, but I don't like I don't like stuff to be real off. You know, you doing something, you do it with care. Make it look nice, you know. So I have made body beads for a guy, you know, a gay guy, and I had to use extra string because, you know, he's a bigger person. So just I say that to say, keep that in mind. Oh, this is good. Keep that in mind, you know, depending on who you're making the beads for. Me, I've been doing this for a while, so I can kind of eyeball how much string and stuff to use. And plus on top of that, I know that I'm gonna need the extra string to knot and cut, just like you saw at the beginning. You also gotta keep that in mind as well. So if the person, I say that to say, if the person measures out 60 inches for these beads, don't cut 60 inches. Cut a good 70 or 80 inches. You need more inches because you have to, you know, manipulate the string to put the clasp on both ends. So not just on the front, you know, the beginning like I showed you, gotta put the other one at the end. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this, all right? So yeah. Anywho, so it's cold, right? Back to my conversation. It's cold outside. The wind is blowing. However, later on this week in New York, it's supposed to be like 60 something degrees. Mind you, I have on a whole turtleneck. I have on my, like, what is this? Velvet, velvet velour pants, and my Ugg slippers, my coat. So next few days, what's this gonna look like? This is how people get sick. And I just had a cold. But I caught a cold because the child I was around had a cold. So yeah. But still, you know, that's how people get sick. Now, these needles, the big eye needles, they are sharp on both ends. Keep that in mind. You can poke yourself. I just did it twice. So just keep that in mind. Just be careful. That's all. Be careful and mindful. So let's see. I need maybe about 12 more beads. Little stack. Let's see. So yeah, I've been doing body beads for a while. I thought about it. I'm like, it's summertime. So, you know, why not jazz it up? Put on some body beads. They are sexy. And, you know, you can make whatever color you want and put them on. It's different. It's different. It represents heritage, our African heritage, our roots, however you want to say it, our African descent. So, you know, body beads. I've been thinking about working on something else too. But on making another piece of beaded jewelry. But I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do that. Because I want a particular string for that. And the string that I'm thinking of, it's the elastic string, but I need some good elastic string. So the elastic string that I do have is too thick to, you need it's just too thick for the size 6 beads and this needle. So, and if I go thin, it's like too thin. So I have to look for a particular elastic string that's gonna work for what I'm thinking of right now of doing. So stay tuned to that. I'll be coming up with some kind of idea for that. That's what I will be doing. All right, have a little stack. Five more beads. Five more. All right, let's get the pink going. So now you see, now if I wasn't doing this video, I would definitely have made some design, okay? But for the purposes of the length of the video, I'm trying to keep the design simple. However, this does take a little bit more time than a waist bead because it's longer, a longer string. But I really want to show y'all what it's gonna look like at the end, and I'm gonna put it on me and stuff. So bear with me. I might need to make a part 2. That's what might happen. I might have to make a part 2, but that's all right as well. So yeah. So I wore my body beads this summer. Maybe I could insert some pictures. Yeah, I probably could. I wore my body beads this summer on quite a bit of occasions. And I got many compliments and, you know, networking. I gave out my business cards. I let them know I make the beads. And yeah, I received some orders for some body beads as well, which is dope. It's nothing like when you make something and somebody buys it and they wearing it and you could, you know, you see them in the street or you see them on social media wearing your stuff, and it's like, I made that. And it's not like I made it like in a factory made, which nothing is wrong with it, I'm not knocking that, but it's like I actually made this by hand. I actually put love into it and they're wearing it. I think that's so dope. Like, that's a whole different feeling, you know? It's just like, wow, the people wearing my stuff. So yeah, I like that. So make sure y'all go out there and network, you know, network and put your business out there, put your name out there, you know. That'll be dope. Now, I know somebody gonna ask me why I didn't use a longer needle. I didn't use a longer needle because I have a junior Beadalon. So the needle will actually, the long needle will just actually get caught up in the Beadalon. So I use like this, I guess like a medium size, and I bend it. Cause when you bend it, you get more, see? That's the whole size of the needle. So that's why I do that. All right, I had to take a good 6 off because that's too much. You know, I was thinking about doing a giveaway. I'm gonna have to look into that. How do you do a giveaway? Somebody tell me in the description, I mean in the comment section. I think I want to do a giveaway of my beads. I'm gonna give away 2 waist beads. So it's how I go about that. I see other YouTubers, they doing giveaways and stuff, and I'm like, I want to do that, but I don't know how to do it. This would be my first giveaway. So let me know in the comment section. In the comment section, how I do a giveaway. I'm gonna give away 2 of my handmade waist beads on the wax cotton cord, all right? So if y'all know about giveaways, how to do it, give me some ideas so I could give it away. Yep. And then maybe my next giveaway, if that's successful, I could give away some body beads, but not with the Clasp. I'll give away the other ones because these, like I said, are dainty. So I want y'all to have them for a minute, you know. Not to say like these won't last for a minute, but if you're a person who's not used to, you know, having beads and stuff on you, they will come off easily. So I'm gonna give away the body beads with the wax cotton cord. That's my second giveaway. So y'all gotta help me. I'm almost done. So yeah, let me know that information in the comment section. Yeah. A little bit more. I hope everyone's weekend was great. Today is Monday. I'll probably post this video like Wednesday. The other video I had last week, honestly, I kept forgetting to post. And then on top of that, it kind of gets discouraging to post videos when your phone is messed up. And messed up to the point, like, I mean, there's no space in the phone. It's annoying. It's really annoying. So, you know, I have to use my computer. I have to do other things, and I'm always doing something, so I'm not always, you know, by my computer and stuff. And last week was a very busy week, and I'm just like, damn, I ain't post my video yet. So you'll be seeing 2 videos this week. My bad. But yeah. Now, I haven't heard anything about a pop-up shop lately. However, maybe y'all have went or vendored at a pop-up shop. So in the comments section, let me know. Let me know how it went. And some of y'all, I see that you have purchased or will be purchasing the wax cotton cord. Let me know how it works out for you. I also have a video up there showing you how to like manipulate the cord and stuff. It's worth it. You know, I know it takes a little bit more time, but it's worth it. So if you have to manipulate the cord, do it. Because it's worth it. It lasts long, you know. Oh, hold up. I can actually stop and knot it too, because I made it a little long. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to leave it like that. I forgot I made it a little long, so. And, you know, I like to have my design at the end as well. Sometimes I'll do this too, just to make sure. Oh yeah, that's gonna fit me. We have a winner. All right. So boom, let me move this to the side before I knock it over. I'm gonna take the other end of the clasp, right? Okay. And I'm gonna string this through, right? First, I'm gonna make sure all the beads is on there tight, right? Then I'm gonna, let me just cut that because that's getting on my nerves. I'm gonna string this through. All the way at the end, I decide to cut it, right? Yeah. All right. No. Go through. There we go. This is all live. So I'm gonna string it through this way, if you can see it, so it can connect. Oh, it's about to get dark out. I forgot. It get dark at like 4 o'clock. Where did I fall? Oh yeah. Don't mind me and my antics. So anyway, I'ma knot it. I showed you why, how, what to do when you knot this in my previous video. So all that information is there. I'm not gonna tell you now because I'm already at 34 minutes. Y'all not tired of me yet? Good. So yeah. So I'm knotting it because then I have to burn it. You do not burn it. Don't burn it. I'm gonna burn it. And that's gonna fit inside the clasp, that little wax down knot. Okay. All right. There we go. That could stay just like that. Since I like to play, I will do this and then get mad when I get burned. Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna push that part down in there. I don't know if you can see that. Pushed it down in there. This part right here is gonna go in there as well. So that's why you wanna make sure it's waxed down correctly. So see, it's now fitting down in there. You gotta make it flat. You gotta make it flat and good enough to fit down in there. Let me see. All right, I gotta shape that. So I'm just trying to make sure it screws in there. That's what I'm trying to do. I think that's it. There we go. Got it. So now it's done. So I will put it on like this. I twist it. I got this from my friend Kelly. This is how she wears hers. So I'm gonna wear mine the same way. I twist it. Let me twist it more. I want a little bit more up. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Yeah. And then I screw it. Let me see that. I screw it in the back. And there we go. I did it. I finished it. Go me. So this is how it should fit. I mean, this is a little big on me. It's actually a lot of big. And I would twist it more. You know, or I could do a little, okay, I'll see this turned into a whole nother thing. So I could do a little, you know, little this, cross it, bam, clasp it in the back, like that. So it'll look like I have a necklace on with the body bead, like that. So I could do that too. If I didn't have on this thick shirt, you'll see it kind of better. But yeah, you could do that too if it's too big. So, hey. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me. Handmade Crafts by Lucille K. Tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell everybody. And I will see you next week. Watch the whole video. If you got to the end, yeah, y'all done learned some good stuff today. Anyway, see you. Peace.